To begin the course copy from the organization, the first thing you have to do is go to your online class and obtain the class number. That number is the number that begins with TC. So in my case, it's TC 295.SDV.100. And that's the letter O, then 04B.FA13. After you have made note of the number, you'll need to go to the organization. Click on TCC. When the organization loads, you will see under organizations where you are participant, SDV 100 Instructor Resources. Scroll down so that you can navigate and see the items, the main items that you're going to copy, and that will be the announcements, course information, course content, discussions, and library. Of course, you'll also need the gradebook layout and the tests and the quizzes. So under Organization Management, at Packages and Utilities, you're going to select Organization Copy. Now keep in mind that when you click on the link, you'll see the full list. You may need to click on the arrow to expand it, but you'll see the full list. Click on Organization Copy. And at step 2, Organization Selection, is where you will type in your course ID number. So you'll click in the box and then type in the number. TC 295.SDV.100. Remember, it's the letter O, then 04.FA13. I typed in the B but didn't say the B. Remember, you need that as well. And the number is not case sensitive. So the material that you need from the content area would be start here. Make sure you're selecting the items that have the asterisk. So we want to start here, course information, course content, and library. Scroll. We want the announcements. We also want the discussion board, grade center, columns and settings, and we want tests, surveys, and polls. After you've made your selections, scroll down and click on Submit. You'll see a message telling you that the copy action has been queued and that you will receive an email when it's completed. You can also click on Teach, and at the menu item you'll see a message showing you that it has been queued or that it's in progress or the action is running. It shows you the course it's coming from, which is the source, and where it's going to. If you're teaching more than one section, I suggest you copy it into one section, Make all the adjustments and changes that you want to make, put in all your starting and ending dates, and then copy it into your second course. So when the process is complete, you'll go to your course and you'll delete the menu items that you don't want. For example, we want to replace the course information with the asterisk, so we don't want the other one that doesn't have the asterisk. So you'll click on the drop down arrow and you'll press delete. You'll have to repeat that same process for course content by units, course content by weeks, because we have our own course content. The asterisk on the items or content areas that you copied make it easier for you to know which one to delete. You also have a new start here. Remember, you do have some customization that you will need to do, as in putting your instructor information in and putting in a copy of your syllabus. So after you've deleted the menu items, go to the discussion board and you'll notice that you have an extra copy of the 3 discussion boards that were already there. So you'll just delete the duplications. In other words, the class introductions, the water cooler, and the questions about content, you will have to delete one set. You're not bound to use these discussions that are provided here. You can, of course, substitute your own. When you do, remember they are linked to the content area. So if you make any changes, you will have to either delete the link in the content area or make sure you update both the content area and the discussion board. You can see, of course, content. When you click on the college resources unit, you can see the link under learning activity assignments that there is the chapter 1 discussion. So if you're not going to use the one that's here, remember you can update it or you can delete it. It's up to you. But if you delete it here, you'll also have to delete it in the or on the discussion board. Once you've made the copy, you can go ahead and customize your course as you normally would.